everybody. We're taking over there.
You don't eat your feet, guys?
What feet? Hey, we're on the radar for passport.